Max from Unsubscribed Healthcare, and I wanted to go over the billing tab. In this tab, you are able to keep track of basic billing information. As you'll see down here, there's a full list of all your patients and all your visits. It will update as you click on people. So if we click on Alvin Chipmunks, you can see there's only one available. We click on Chuck E. Cheese. His appointments come up as well. Jimmy Garoppolo only visited once. And we go to Maxwell R. Shipping. You can see there's been quite a few visits. You'll see over here also dates of service. 10/17, 10/18, 10/24. Okay. To use this, what you want to do is that you want to put in the patient name. Next, you want to put in their ID and which date of service you're looking for. So if we're looking for the 18th, we click on the 18th. And you can see that pulls the information right there. We click search. It takes all of the information that's in a line, puts it up here. So on this day, we can see how many units we were charged and how much was billed. I know that doesn't add up. I fixed that problem, so it's all set. It was accidentally taking the information from charges in Unit 1 and putting it into CPT code. It is all now fixed, and it should be 50, and it should be 2. So you can change it like that. You can then click update. What the update will do is it will take all of the information and it will update it. So if we use clear, it clears all of that. So if we go ahead and do Maxwell R. Shipping again, MS1 for their patient ID, and I think it was the 24th that we just did. No, it was the 18th. Okay, 375. We click search, and now you'll see that it's been updated here. Yeah, so it's pretty much a quick overview of it. I use this, I call it SCUDS. Search, clear, update, delete, saves a lot. If we wanted to delete this, we could click delete. So that's saying that multiple entries can be deleted. I fixed that problem. So it should only delete one at a time. But then we click clear. And if we go ahead and look at Maxwell R. Shipping again, look up the ID, and you can see that the 18th is no longer available. If we're like, oh, shoot, I didn't want to delete that, you click backspace, undo, 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 and there you go. It comes right back. The other option is you can delete it like we just did, and then you can also click save. And when you click save, now it's going to add a file. So each of these is actually, you're able to type in each one of these and update patient information this way as well. Or the other way to input billing is to do bill data entry. It has a side box that loads. And now you can put in the patient name. So you do need to have it exact, which is why I personally like using the sheet over here more than I do this side sheet. But if you're looking directly at it, it's not bad. Capitals and all have to be exact as well in order for this to work. The treating therapist was me. If you have other people, you'd put that down. We'll say the date of service was tomorrow. We billed $350. We haven't sent the insurance yet. You can put down the amount received from insurance. So say we did put it, we send it out tomorrow. We did it tomorrow. Amount received. We'll say that it hasn't been received yet. Copay $40. Date collected. We will collect that tomorrow. You can have coinsurance, date collected, deductible, date checked. If you sell different items, you're able to keep track of those items here as well. Other amount collected, the date that you collected that, notes for anything. When you're not putting it in over here on your own and you're using this, you would click multiple things, right? So if we're doing an evaluation, or let's copy this, right? So for CPT code 1, we did 97112, so we're going to do 97112. We're going to come down here, put 1 unit. Okay. All right. And then same thing, CPT code 297140. And we did 2 units. Okay. CPT code 397110. And we did 1 unit. My charges stay the same, $200, $50, $75. So whether or not I have it typed in there doesn't change how much I would charge. Click submit, and now we can go back here. We'll click clear. Okay, and we're going to look up my name again, and we're going to do the patient ID. The reason why you have to go through the patient ID is because it's setting up this box over here, which tells you Maxwell hour ship-in, gives you the patient ID, and then also the data service that you're combining creates a serial code for this thing to look up. So we said tomorrow, so if we look up tomorrow, there you go. This is what we just submitted. And you can see it puts it there. I've made it so that if there is no amount received or no date, it will be in red, so it's not yet collected, and then amount collected from that date will be in black, and it will be below. The way that this works is that if you put in $100 here, it's still not going to show up as anything. You have to put in the date that you received it in order to have it turn into the black. And there you go. But yeah, that's a little bit about the billing sheet and how I use it. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Otherwise, again, thank you for purchasing Unsubscribed Healthcare's PT package or the data center.